Hey, what's up, folks? All right, so we received four HomePods today. I think all of them are no power, and there was a pair. I just shared a video of that. I just made a video of the unit that the boxes that it came in, because we ship the boxes. We can ship shipping boxes, the original boxes. That helps our customers just put them in and ship it over to us. I just want to give you a little bit of info as to how we do the workflow. When we receive these, we make a note of the serial number of each unit that we receive, and that goes into the order in the back end. The order, we have fields for the order. We put the order serial number in, and we retain those records. It's on our website, in our database, and then we send an email to our customers stating that we received their HomePods safe and sound. And in that email, they will see the serial numbers in there as well. And that serial number pretty much propagates in every email that we send from that point on, so that they know, they have a record of it. It's all in there. This will be two different serial numbers for this order. It'll be in there. So that's just a little side note. And this is a no power. I just confirmed that as well. So I'll go ahead and repair this as well. But just wanted to give you a little bit of an insider info on the workflow.